Hello students, welcome on Smart Study. This video is based on This is Jodi's Fawn, Chapter 6, Honeydew, Class 8 English. I have covered the complete chapter in the form of MCQ. Students tend to engage themselves and enjoy while doing MCQ questions. It is highly recommended to all the students check your understanding of the topic by giving an MCQ test. So let's start this quiz. Who is the writer of this story? This is Jodi's Fawn. Options are Marjorie Kennan Rollins, second, Ruskin Bond, third, John Keats, fourth, T.S. Eliot. This is Jodi's Fawn was written by Marjorie Kennan Rollins, while Ruskin Bond is the writer of A Short Monsoon Diary, John Keats of On the Grasshopper and Cricket, while T.S. Eliot, being a famous poet, is the writer of the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. Correct answer of this question is option 1. Before moving ahead, let's see some important terms. Home remedy. It is the medication which is prepared at home with natural substances and herbs without the professional supervision. Next on the list is rattlesnake. It is a highly poisonous snake. Doe is a female deer, while male deer is called a stag or a buck. Fawn is a young deer. Close shave. It is one of the most important idioms. You must know its meaning. When you have a narrow escape from an accident, it is called close shave. That can also be called as lucky escape. Buzzards are hawk-like birds that feed on flesh of dead animals. Next word on the list is hoist, which means to pull up higher, or it can be described as an act of raising or lifting something. Delirious. It means to be thrilled, to be excited, or to be very happy. Now let's resume our MCQ quiz. Who was Jodi? Options are a small boy whose father was bitten by a snake. Second, a man who had a doe. Third, a girl who had a doe. Or fourth, a girl whose father was bitten by a snake. Jodi was a small boy whose father was bitten by a snake. Option 1 is the right answer. What had happened to Jodi's father? He was bitten by a rattlesnake. He had a fight with a fawn. His hand was cut with a knife. He had met with an accident. Correct answer of this question is option 1. Jodi's father was bitten by a rattlesnake. Rattlesnake is a very poisonous snake. How did the doe save Penny's life? Penny was the name of Jodi's father. Given options are doe saved Penny's life by killing the rattlesnake. Second, doe's heart and liver was used to draw out the poison of snake bite. Doe drew out the snake's poison from Penny's body. Fourth, doe did not save Penny's life. Jodi's father was bitten by a poisonous snake, and in order to save his life, he did a home remedy. He killed a doe and used its heart and liver to draw out the poison of the snake from his body. What request did Jodi make to his father? He wanted to play with the doe. Second, he wanted to go to the forest alone. Third, to let him bring the fawn home. Fourth, none of these. Jodi's father Penny had killed the doe to save his own life, but the young fawn had become an orphan. Without the mother deer, young fawn would have died. That's why Jodi wanted to help the poor fawn by bringing it to his home. Why did Jodi want to bring the fawn home? Option 1. Its mother was killed saving his father's life. He felt guilty as fawn had become an orphan. Second, because he wanted a pet. Third, because the fawn was very cute. Or fourth, both option 1 and option 3. Jodi wanted to bring the fawn home because dear mother of young fawn had lost her life while saving the life of Jodi's father. On the other hand, young fawn had become an orphan. Jodi wanted to raise the fawn by bringing it to his home. Option 1 is the right answer. Did Penny allow his son to bring fawn to his home? Penny's life was saved due to the doe, and he was grateful for that. Moreover, the fawn had lost its mother due to Penny. Because of all these reasons, Penny allowed his son to bring fawn to his home. Who offered Geordie to help him find Fawn? Was it Mill Wheel or Doc Wilson, or both Mill Wheel and Doc Wilson? Or the fourth option, neither Mill Wheel nor Doc Wilson? Correct answer of this question is option 1, Mill Wheel. He offered Geordie to help him find the Fawn. Very important question. Meaning of every which way. Options are in different directions. Second, somewhere. Third, which way. Fourth, nowhere. Meaning of every which way is in different directions. How did Geordie know that the fawn was a male? Geordie's father Penny had once told him that a male fawn has the spots. Let's look at the given options. In a sequential line, in a curved line, there were no spots, or both option 1 and 2. Geordie's father had once told him that a male fawn has these spots in a sequential line. Synonym of quiver is shiver, recollect, startle, or liver. Let me tell you the meanings of these words. You will come across these words while reading this chapter. It will be good for you to know the meanings of these words beforehand. Liver is an essential organ and the largest gland of the human body. Startled means to get surprised or frightened, while recollect means to recall or remember, while shiver means to shake or tremble due to cold and fear. Shiver is the similar meaning of quiver. The right answer of this question is option 1. Why did not the fawn follow Geordie up the steps as he had thought it would? First option, fawn did not know how to climb these stairs. Second, fawn did not want to go to Geordie's home. Third, because fawn was afraid of Geordie's father. Fourth, fawn did not follow Geordie due to excitement. Being a wild animal, fawn was completely unaware of how to climb these stairs. Therefore, fawn was unable to follow Geordie. Why did Geordie not want Mill Wheel with him when he meets Fawn? First option, if the fawn was dead, he did not want Mill Wheel to see his disappointment. Second, if the fawn was alive, then Geordie did not want to share his happiness with anyone. Third, both option 1 and option 2. Fourth, Mill Wheel will take the fawn with him. There were 2 reasons due to which Geordie did not want Mill Wheel with him. First reason, if the fawn was dead, Geordie would be very sad and he did not want Mill Wheel to see his disappointment. Second, if Fawn was alive, then Geordie would be at the 7th heaven. But he did not want to share this happiness with anyone. These 2 reasons are given on option 1 and 2 respectively. Therefore, answer of the question, why did Geordie not want Mill Wheel with him when he meets Fawn, will be option number 3, which comprises of both the options 1 and 2. What did Geordie feed the fawn after arriving home? Boiled eggs? Nothing. Bread or milk? Geordie brought milk from the kitchen for the hungry fawn. Option 4 is the right answer. How did Geordie feel after he found the fawn? First option, touch of fawn made Geordie delirious. He was lightheaded with his joy, which means Geordie was thrilled and very excited when he touched the fawn. Second, he wanted to handle the fawn lovingly and gently and play with it. Both the options are correct, so we will go with the option number 3, which consists of both the options 1 and 2. What is the moral of the story? This is Geordie's fawn. First option is, life of a human is more important than animals. No, that's completely wrong. Life of every living creature is equally important. First option is wrong. Let's see what the second option says. We can kill animals to save humans. Every life matters, whether it's humans, animals, or birds. Second option is also wrong. Third option, we should always give priority to our needs and desires. If we always give priority to our needs, desires, and wants, then we will end up becoming a selfish person, which is also not good. This option is also wrong, so we are left with the last option. It is important to be grateful to those who helped us. Yes, we should always be grateful to those who help us. Values of love, care, concern, and justice for all living creatures. Yes, we should show love, affection, and compassion towards all living creatures, whether they are birds, animals, or humans. Correct answer is option 4. This was the last question of this video. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I would be grateful if you hit the like button and share my videos to your friends. If you want such MCQ video on any topic, let me know in the comment section. Besides that, if you have any feedback on improvement of my channel, I would really appreciate. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.